Hey guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel. Today's video, we've got another cold start. It's minus 22 today. We've got the Arctic sun rising over there. So I thought I'd see how the car would fare in these conditions. It's unlocked and everything still works. Made a funny noise, which I think might have been the... There you go, that's the funny noise. Which part of me wonders might be the fuel pump in the cold. We'll try and start the car. There we go. Just like that. Everything starts, everything works. All is well.